कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Namaste, my name is Athar.
And my name is Mannat.
Please join our hands and get ready for the morning prayer.
Namaste, my name is Vanya and I along with Shweta and Narav will be performing a Carnatic music song or Kriti for you. This song is called Paluke Bangare Mayana. Paluke Bangare Mayana is a Telugu composition by the 17th century composer and devotee of Lord Sri Ram, Bhadrachala Ramadasu.
Now sit back, relax and enjoy our Kathak dance.
Namaste, I Ananya along with my friend Yavita are doing Kathak dance on a prayer in praise of Lord Ram.
Shri
It's time to bring back old junior school memories by sharing some news.
Time to know about upcoming events and coronavirus updates.
Namaste, my name is Vivan and today I'll be talking about crazy lockdown rules all over the world. 1. Panama. The Central American country, which had close to 1,000 confirmed cases, has announced strict quarantine measures separating people by gender in an effort to stop the spread of coronavirus. From Wednesday, men and women will be able to leave their homes for only 2 hours at a time and on different days. Colombia. In some Colombian towns, people are allowed outside on the basis of their national ID number. For example, in Barrancameja, people with an ID number ending with 0, 7 or 4 are allowed outside the house on Monday, while those ending with the ID number 1, 8 or 5 can go outside on Tuesday. Nearby, Bolivia is proposing a similar approach. Serbia. At one point, Serbia's government introduced a dog walking hour from 8 to 9 for those in lockdown, but that has now been scrapped to howls of protest from dog owners. One vet said that skipping the evening walk could even worsen the condition of the dog's urinary problems and aggravate basic hygienic conditions in people's homes.
Namaste, I'm Dia from class 7A and I'll be telling you about some lockdown facts you may or may not know. Belarus. Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko has been raising plenty of eyebrows with his attitude towards the coronavirus outbreak. He laughed off the suggestion that his country could try to stem the spread of coronavirus because he couldn't see the virus flying around. Speaking to a TV reporter at an indoor ice hockey match, he also claimed that crowds at the match were fine because the coolness of the stadium would prevent the virus from spreading. There is no evidence that this could be the case and the coronavirus cannot be seen with the naked eye. Unlike most of Europe, Belarus has not played any restrictions on sports events. There are no viruses here, Mr. Lukashenko said. You haven't seen them flying around, have you? I don't see them either. This is a fridge, sport particularly the ice. This fridge here, that's the best antiviral cure. He has also cited drinking vodka and regular trips to the sauna as ways to ward off the virus, which is completely at odds with the professional advice. Sweden. Unlike its neighbors, Sweden has taken a relaxed attitude when it comes to lockdown measures. Despite close to 4,500 confirmed cases, the government hopes people will behave sensibly and trust them to do the right thing. Gathering of more than 50 people was banned on Sunday, but schools for under the age of 16 remain open. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Tanya and today I'll be speaking about some crazy corona rules. For example, in Belgium, one of the craziest rules is a group of 5 people cannot leave their homes, while a group of less than 5 are allowed to leave their homes at any time. So, for example, if a family of 5 people wants to go out and meet their grandparents, they are not allowed to. But if the grandparents come to their house, it's perfectly legal. Also, in Belgium, on the beach, you are not allowed to sit. You can run, walk, jog, do anything.
Now we have a small skit prepared on how lockdown has been on us.
The topic for our assembly is the coronavirus lockdown on 7A. Through this topic, we are going to show that there is still a way to come close and connect with each other.
We also want to show how our classes have been going on and a part of our daily lives, portraying how it used to be
and how it is now. Let's have a look at March 2020 and how it went for some of us.
Welcome everybody. Let's just jump into it, guys. On 3, 2, 1.
Finally, school is starting. Classes, new teachers. This is going to be fun. I'm so excited for going to school, Mama. I can't wait for my new classes. And I have a good feeling about this. And my gut is never wrong.
Kavya, Arsha,
Don't get too excited. I have something to tell you, and I don't think you're gonna like it.
What?
You know how a virus started in China? Well, it's spreading to other parts of the world. The cases are continuing to grow. I'm so sorry.
What? No, you're lying.
Papa, what happened? You're looking very stressed.
Pranik, we received a mail from school. From now on, you will not be allowed to go outside the house for a long time, okay? We will all stay locked inside the house and only I will walk if absolutely necessary. This means no school, no friends, no play. And for a very long time.
No, that's not fair.
There is some good news. The school has decided to start Zoom classes. Now, you'll be able to attend school but from your computer. I want you to behave and listen to your teachers.
I guess that's better. At least I get to see my friends. I'm going to my room.
Namaste children, I am Bulbul ma'am and I will be your class teacher this year. Can everyone please switch on their cameras?
Ma'am, I have internet problems, so I cannot turn my video on.
Okay, that's fine. Whoever doesn't have any problems can switch on their cameras. Please note that the links for your classes will be sent through mail.
Okay.
April was fun. It was finally time for new classes and new teachers.
Namaste children, I am Mansi ma'am and I will be your history and class teacher for this year. Let's all get to know each other.
Namaste, ma'am. I'm Kavya and I like studying. I also like to do social work in my spare time.
Namaste ma'am, I am Uday. I like sleeping a lot. Besides sleeping, my favorite subjects are history and geography.
Namaste ma'am, I am Uday and I like to be ahead of schedule and keep myself occupied by going to the library.
My name is Veer, like food, football, food, and talking, and I have many dogs.
Nice.
Finally, summer vacations are here. Time to sit back and enjoy.
Hey Kavya, do you like the new Teams app?
I guess it's fine. What about you, Veer?
I really like it. The features are so cool and we can have private chats, group chats, and stuff like that. What about you, Alex?
I don't really like it. Zoom is easier to navigate.
I'm sure you'll get the hang of it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure by the end of lockdown, we will all only like the Teams app.
Yes! Summer vacations, here I come.
Harsha, plastic syllabus is out. You better start studying.
Mama, I have plenty of time to study. Corona has already ruined my vacation. Let me enjoy for some time.
Then don't come back to me when you don't do well.
Oh, Kavya, Alex, the school disabled chats. It is so unfair. Now we can't talk to anyone. I get so bored.
I know. The chat was Teams' best feature.
I told you Zoom was better.
Mama, I don't want to study right now. Guys, exams are coming. Time to study.
Uday beta, have you finished your syllabus?
Finished it? I have done it twice already.
What? Only 2 times? I expected more from you.
Okay, Papa, I will speed up.
Better.
Blah, blah, blah. I don't care about what she says. I'm not studying.
I heard that.
Oops.
Parul ma'am, what do you want to do to keep our students busy in our upcoming CT periods?
Let's tell the children to find their passions and make a PPT on it.
That's a great idea to keep the children busy.
I will send the class a mail. Let's hope to see great PPTs after the holidays.
Hello, Veer. I'm sleeping. Can I call you back?
Shrenik, you do know that the school will start in 3 days, right?
What? Only 3 days? I have to finish my holiday homework and start preparing for my exams. Bye.
Bye.
I studied for nothing. Exams are cancelled for grade 6 and 8. So not fair.
Namaste everyone and welcome back to school. A mail has been sent to your parents regarding the exams. Classes 6 to 8 have their exams cancelled.
Really? Ma'am, are you joking?
No, But that doesn't mean all of you stop studying.
Children, we have finished our syllabus. So what do you all want to do today?
Sarah ma'am, can we please play Kahoot? We are really bored of studying and we only had one break today.
I'm sorry, Uday, but I haven't made one yet.
Ugh.
Ma'am, I have one ready. Should I screen share it?
Sure, go ahead.
Might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because it might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you.
I found my passion during lockdown. Did you?
Hey, we should do a Zoom with the entire class. It would be so much fun.
Oh yeah, we could also make a group with all of us. This is going to be exciting.
I love this. Should I make the group?
Go ahead. Guys, we never actually had that Zoom meeting.
Yeah, Should I schedule a meeting? But can it be between 6 to 9 because I'm really busy?
Hey, why don't we name some of our classmates after the Avengers? It would be hilarious.
Guys, don't you like how we play so many Kahoot quizzes these days?
Yeah, I really like it. Classes just keep getting more and more fun.
It's more fun to have quizzes that way because Microsoft forms are so boring.
Hey guys, did you see what Veer sent in the group?
Wait, you have a WhatsApp group? Add me.
Yeah, please add me.
Yeah, me too.
Me three. Okay, guys, everyone send your number or your parents' phone number so that I can add you to the group.
Guys, even though lockdown has been so hard, I've never been so close to any of my classmates. What about y'all?
Yeah, I agree. I love this class and I can't believe all of us have gotten so close.
And also, if you're in normal school, I'm pretty sure we wouldn't have. So the virus may have done us some good.
That's so true.
In the end, friends stay with you no matter the distance or the time that separates you from them.
Now we have a song. Enjoy.
You're giving me a million reasons to let you go. You're giving me a million reasons to quit the show. You're giving me a million reasons. Give me a million reasons. Giving me a million reasons. About a million reasons. I had a highway I would run for the hills. If you could find a driveway up forever be still. But you're giving me a million reasons. Give me a million reasons. Giving me a million reasons. About a million. I bow down to pray. I try to make the world seem better. Lord, show me the way to cut through all this worn out leather. I got 100 million reasons to walk away, but baby, I just need one good one to stay. Head stuck in a cycle, I look off in a stare. It's like that I've stopped breathing but completely aware. Cause you're giving me a million reasons. Give me a million reasons. Giving me a million reasons.
And if you say something that you might even mean, it's hard for me to fathom which parts I should believe. But you're giving me a million reasons. Give me a million reasons. Giving me a million reasons. About a million reasons. I bow down to pray. I try to make the world seem better. Lord, show me the way to cut through all this worn out leather. I got 100 million reasons to walk away, but baby, I just need one good one to stay.
Namaste. We, the students of Class 7A, would like to thank our teachers, Sudha ma'am and Chin ma'am, for giving us this platform to showcase our talent and for all support and learning during these unprecedented times. Thank you for all joining in today. Be safe and stay happy. Thank you.